This recipe is part of the Comida Cubana collaboration, so check out Cuban food on YouTube by looking for that hashtag with my fellow collaborators. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing mojo chicken Cuban style in the air fryer. Let's get started. Now what really struck out to me with this dish is the freshness that comes in that chicken and the marinade from lime juice, from cilantro, orange juice, which is gonna add a really nice amount of tang and sourness from the lime, which just got me super excited to prepare this marinade. And the marination will be for about 2 hours, but you can go for longer if you want. Now you'll notice that I'm just rubbing the cumin, oregano, salt and pepper on the chicken first, and then whisking together the other ingredients, including the juices, olive oil, and I just want some picante, some heat in there as well. So a Thai chili, not traditional at all, but that's just something that I'm adding, and some garlic as well. Just whisk that up really well and then just pour that over the chicken from earlier. Let this sit in the fridge for about 2 hours or so. Now as this is air frying, let me tell you what I'm serving this with. Some black beans, some Chipotle style cilantro lime rice, which is super easy to make. You can make your own version, but I would recommend and point you out to my recipe. And if you want to know how to make black beans in the Instant Pot without soaking them, I have the perfect guide for you as well. So it's been about 2 hours and this is what the marinade looks like now. This smells really good, but make sure you drain the extra marinade that's in here before you add the chicken in the air fryer so that you get some nice level of charness and some brownness. The air fryer was preheated to about 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you want to cook it for about 18 to 22 minutes, depending on how long it takes to get some nice brownness on each side, and so that the chicken is fully cooked. And at right about the halfway point, add some roughly diced onions. When it's done, this is what you'll see. Now I absolutely cannot wait to get a bite into this chicken. It looks so nicely charred. That's the best part about using an air fryer. Super juicy, cooks really fast. And if you want something that's very similar, and this time from Brazil, then check out my churrasco recipe. That's to die for.